So why Elevated Oasis? Come with me, I'll tell you. You see, if you take the word oasis and you look up its definition, it stands for fertile spot in desert where water is found. Now, you put elevated in front of that and you have a cool name, plus some aesthetics and you have a cool website. However, we did not build Elevated Oasis for a cool name and its aesthetics, but for something deeper, for something more. So what is this more that I speak of? Well, it is the more that can only be found through inner exploration, through self-inquiry. And truthfully, that is what we built Elevated Oasis for. For those truth seekers, for those ones who are asking the deeper questions and are looking for the answers. You see, Elevated Oasis was built to be that light in a realm of illusions where knowledge can be found. So whether you're looking for sustainable resources or a course to help you explore the energetics of self and how to heal, Elevated Oasis is that one-stop shop. Because the truth is, we have always been free, and freedom has always been an option. We've simply lacked the knowledge. So join the movement and free yourself from the mental matrix. Peace to all, and gratitude to the ancestors.